Video 6. CSS Layout. We have a single objective in this video. We will be adding Flexbox CSS layouts to display a tic-tac-toe board. First, let's remove the inline styles in the game component. We will be using CSS styles instead. Add a prop called class name. The class name prop is the JavaScript equivalent of the CSS class attribute. The JavaScript keyword class is used for another purpose, so class name was selected to avoid a naming clash. Usually, we follow the prop and equals sign with a JSX container. However, if the value is just a string, we can add it within quotes. We will add the string value game. Save the file and then move to index.css. Let's add the game class styling. We will use Flexbox styling. We will arrange the layout in a column. And we will align the layout in the center. Save and view the effect in the browser. Move back to index.js. Now, we want to render 9 tic-tac-toe squares inside our board component. First, let's add 2 squares to our board. Save and view the effect in the browser. We want to put these 3 squares in a row. We will use a Flexbox CSS layout to do this. First, wrap the 3 squares in a div tag, with a class name of board row. Let's now add the CSS for the board row class in the index.css file. We will make the board row class a Flexbox container, arranging its items in a non-wrapping row. Save and view the effect in the browser. The 3 squares are now in a row. Now, move back to index.js. Add 2 more rows of 3 squares in the board component, by duplicating the first row twice. Save and view the effect in the browser. Now let's add some additional styling to the square component. First, let's just put an X instead of displaying the word square. Then, remove the inline styles and add the prop class name and give it the value square. Now, we will add the square class CSS styles in the index.css file. Make the background color dark gray, and the text color white. Add a lighter gray border and make the padding 0. Make the font size 84 pixels large, and align the text to the center. Finally, make the width and height 100 pixels large. Save and view the effect in the browser. It is starting to look like a proper tic-tac-toe board. To summarize, we added some Flexbox CSS layouts to display the tic-tac-toe board. In the next video, we will show how to pass data from one component to another.